Masakit pala siya in a way na parang nung sinabi na wala na yung baby mo, parang hindi nagsisync sa'yo, parang nakatulala ka lang. Eventually, biglang magsisync sa'yo, then may iyak ka. Hindi ko alam kung anong reason, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero sana dalawa na sila.
Your mind and beauty, your life and story. You'll always be the queen of my heart. Your wisdom guides me. Your courage drives me. Your strength inspires me. Every day is Mother's Day. I love my mother. I love my mother. She's my mother. Every day is Mother's Day.